already seated the fridge. Now we remove it. And this is what we see inside. These two are not going to have pickup because they were implants from before. But these fridge caps are. Now I want to show you how we are going to prepare these, how to remove the excess and how to finish that line. The diamond, I'm removing the extra acrylic. Now with the coarse diamond, I'm trying not to get on the zirconia. I'm trying to limit it to the acrylic part. But if you use a fine diamond on the acrylic, it gets soft and now with the red stripe, I'll go over the zirconia part also. And then once I go in the mouth, because if there's the slightest acrylic going inside the cap, it won't allow this to squeeze properly. All these sharp angles need to be removed so food doesn't get caught. Each shoulder basically is removed. Has to go through this, so I'll just fit with this. The fridge caps don't have to be dry, but where we are cementing, I'm gonna dry it a little bit.
I'm gonna dry, okay?
These are the two implants. When you look at the pictures before, you can see that. Okay, you're gonna hear very loud tap now. That's it. It's not gonna come out anymore. Beautiful.
No, it's just